Is it the right time to make a move on Intel stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, February 15, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 15, 2024, our system has ranked Intel as a hold/accumulate with a score of -0.30. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Although there have been some natural fluctuations, the stock currently shows a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend in the short term. This situation often presents a good buying opportunity. However, if the stock breaks below the bottom trend line at $42.55, it would be a strong sell signal, indicating a potential shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 1.18% change over the next 3 months. The potential return during this period could range between -2.27% and 17.35%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 59.36% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging from 39.56% to 93.44%. If these projections hold, the stock price could be between $61.47 and $85.21 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings some interesting news. According to reports, Intel's stock has been upgraded from a sell candidate to a hold/accumulate rating after the Thursday trading session. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 15th of February 2024, the Intel stock price experienced a slight decline of 0.317%, dropping from $44.19 to $44.05. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $44.02 and a high of $45.27, indicating a 2.84% variation. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a 1.59% gain. However, it's important to note that despite a 7 million increase in volume, the prices were falling, which could be seen as an early warning sign. This may lead to a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 41 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $1.79 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Intel stock was $51.28, while the lowest was $24.73. Currently, the stock is 14.09% or $7.23 below its 52-week high, and 36.43% or $25.24 below its all-time high, which was reached on January 24, 2020, when the price hit $69.29. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates on Intel and other stocks in the market. Thank you for watching. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Intel a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer gave Intel a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Tigris Financial gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as neutral. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a buy rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Intel stock. Let's start with the short-term moving average, which indicates a buy signal. However, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. This is because the long-term average is higher than the short-term average, giving a negative forecast for the stock. In terms of resistance and support levels, the stock will face resistance at $46.04 from the long-term moving average if it continues to rise. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support at $43.43 from the short-term average. If the stock breaks above the long-term average, it will provide another buy signal. Conversely, if it falls below the short-term average, it will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of these developments. On Thursday, February 8, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 3.65%. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot has been found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator gave a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 16 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 77 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 222 days ago. Remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel stock finds support from accumulated volume at $43.65. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it has historically resulted in upwards reactions. When the support is tested, it is likely that the stock will experience a positive movement. In terms of volatility, Intel has shown average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be medium. Looking at recent data, Intel's stock had a price range of $1.25 between its highest and lowest points in the last trading day, representing a 2.84% fluctuation. Over the course of the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.71%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Intel, let's first go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. The PE ratio for Intel is currently quite high, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have high ratios like this. Moving on, the next earnings report for Intel's Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.160. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on the stock's price. Today, we're going to dive into potential day trading levels for Intel. If Intel experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch is at $45.18. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making a move. However, if you're already in possession of the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Intel faces a downward movement, its initial support level can be found at $43.65. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a great entry point as you anticipate a rebound. The average rating for Intel, based on multiple analyst sources, is currently neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Hoddard Justin made an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, David Zinsner conducted an insider buy of 75,659 shares of common stock. On January 31, 2024, David Zinsner conducted another insider buy, this time acquiring 6,503 shares of common stock. In addition, on January 31, 2024, David Zinsner sold 3,225 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on the same day, David Zinsner also sold 34,145 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -7.569. Overall, insiders have purchased a total of 378,438 shares and sold 440,641 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $42.36, which is a decrease of 3.85%. This stock is characterized by moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 5 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? While Intel holds several positive signals, we believe it might be best to consider it as a hold candidate at the moment. This means you may want to hold or accumulate your position and wait for further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of Intel stock, and they find that the current price is undervalued. When trading resumes on Friday, February 16th, we expect Intel to open up $0.397 and start trading at $44.45. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on stockinvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a wonderful time. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.